Don't do it.
Taciz suçlamasıyla aranan suçlu polislere direnç gösteriyor.
Oh, he's got a knife. He's got a knife.
What was the address they gave you? South Meadowbrook?
Yeah.
So check out here along Meadowbrook for... Oh,
Must be our
my...
key stepping out.
438 97.
On South Meadowbrook.
Alright, we'll have your suspect. Looks like he's swinging around a cane, walking through the center of the complex.
Swinging a cane around, walking the center of the complex. And still checking for a canine for the southeastern hot call.
And if you come in from Meadowbrook on the far east side, he's going to be on the third row to the south.
Third row to the
Yeah, so there's a unit coming in now.
Okay. Alright, Abel, keep going. One more row. And then make your first right. He's actually walking westbound towards the apartments now. Make a right. Make a right. Straight ahead. He's standing right in front of you at the end.
434 97.
Over.
Covers with him. Roger. Alright, Abel, he's got to cover you at 97. Subject's walking towards the officers.
Walking towards the officers. We'll have emergency traffic.
Towards the apartments now. Make a right. Make a right. Straight ahead. He's standing right in front of you at the end.
434 97.
Over.
He's got to cover you at 97.
Hey, drop the cane. 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 Ma'am, stand back. Stand back.
That's my husband.
That's okay. He's about to get tased. He doesn't drop the cane.
You tased for what?
Just drop it.
You tased for what?
Drop the cane. We got a call you're hitting somebody with that.
I hit nobody.
That's the call we got. So drop it and tell us your side of the story or you're going to be under arrest.
I'm not dropping.
Drop the cane. There you go. Turn around.
I ain't turning around. Back the fuck up and I ain't turning around.
Right now you're being detained. You understand that? Yes, you are. Hey,
I'm not being detained. I'm not being detained, homie.
Don't do it. Now you're under arrest. Don't do it. Oh, he's got a knife. He's got a knife. Stay lethal. Stay lethal.
Shoot me. Shoot me.
You got it off. You're under arrest. Go taser.
Aşağıdaki, önceki videonun durdurulmuş ve vurgulanmış bir kısmıdır. Bay Little John bıçağını çıkardıktan sonra, beni birkaç kez vur dediği duyuluyor. Polisler taser kullandı ve onun da bıçağı düşürdüğü görülüyor.
Don't do it. Oh, he's got a knife. He's got a knife. Stay lethal. Stay lethal.
Shoot me. Shoot me.
You got it off.
He has a knife. We have one at gunpoint.
Knife and one at gunpoint.
Okay, taser deployed. Cover now. Still, he's up and trying to fight again.
Again, cover now for South Meadowbrook.
I lost him here on the screen.
Go taser. Yep.
Stop! Stop reaching! Stop reaching! He's reaching. Stop! Go, go! He has a gun? Stop! Stop reaching! He's reaching. Stop!
Bay Little John'un belindeki cismi, çıkarıp memurlara doğrulttuğu görülüyor. Memurlar cismin bir cep telefonu nokta olduğunu tanıyıp takiplerine devam ettiler.
Brookhaven for units.
Sam, pulling out a cell phone. I was a gun. Two
Two
shots fired. Nobody injured.
shots fired, no one is injured.
Abel, he's out on Meadowbrook. He's walking westbound towards Brookhaven.
Westbound towards Brookhaven.
There's 3 officers 97, still uncooperative.
Still uncooperative.
2940 Sam, I'm code.
K9 is code.
Sure, good.
Oscar, are you available for flyover? We're going to report to the
I'm diverting to that call as well.
Abel, cover now, middle of the intersection, Brookhaven and South Meadowbrook.
Get on the fucking ground! Get on the fucking ground! Get on the fucking ground! It's going for a taser! Let go! Give his fucking hand. Give him the hand. Give him your fucking hand. You're under arrest. Give your fucking hand! Take his hand. Hey, I'm gonna keep head control. We're gonna keep here. You're gonna mount your leg right here, start pulling him out. You got that one, Vince? All right. Got it. I'm pulling. Keep pulling. Keep on his legs. Work the wrist. Work the wrist. Work the wrist. Keep pulling. Okay, keep pulling. Keep pulling. We're gonna lift a little bit. One more. Go. Give the fucking hand up. It's up. It's up. There we go. There we go. It's up. All right, now laying back flat. Laying back flat. Got your hand. I got it. I have my knee in here. All right. Now, hey, you get those two. I'll start holding the cuffs. All right. Get the cuff on. Just put a cuff on here. Got it. He's going back. He's going back. No, no. He's good. No, he's grabbing the
Bay Little John, hafif yaralanmalarla hastaneye kaldırıldıktan sonra San Diego Merkez Hapishanesi'ne nakledildi. Aşağıdaki suçlamalar nedeniyle tutuklanmıştır. Ağır suç işleme girişimiyle saldırı, öldürücü bir silahla saldırı, 2 kişi, tutuklanmaya direnmek için şiddet kullanmak.